Right, December 26, 2024. I can just get back far enough. I'm leaning against furniture to get this whole drawing. It had been framed, but got unframed a couple of years ago. And last night, or yesterday afternoon, I took it apart from the backboard it was mounted on, and several sections tore. I attached paper on the back of those sections, and then this morning I did a restorative new drawing around those areas, like around left cheek on viewer's right, and around the right eye on viewer's left there. Also added a couple of words, three words here: Puget sound lutefisk with two arrows there. All right, I've also decided to change the title. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. The Berkey Workey Museum chief art critic. Good work, darling. Good work. Thank you. Okay, maybe she's heard me talk about the Mad Hatter bird here and a fast-moving Boyd here. So this has drawings I did in 1990 along the seated outdoors in the Seattle waterfront. I used to work in Magnolia. I lived in the Pike Market then. Freighter, kind of like freighter light crane ship, and sailboats, motorboat moving fast. And double portrait of the late great Sir Herbert Reed, who I first became familiar with in around 1974 or 75 when I read two of his books, including To Hell with Culture. So I'm retitling the artwork. I'm dropping the H as they do in Britain. To L with Culture. Sir Herbert Reed's magical mystery tour of my artistic imagination of Seattle and Puget Sound. I don't believe he was ever even in the United States, much less in Puget Sound. Thank you, Dr. Chi. You make why I should have your portrait in here. We'll do that in a future portrait, portrayal about Sir Reed, perhaps. Okay, we have this is drawn from an old sketchbook sketch of me I did in 1972 on biking in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois, when I started college at age 22. From a top of a toothbrush I bought in West Palm Beach, Florida, like in a supermarket. Plastic toothbrush. The Dawn of Life, Boyd. Tentacled peanut butter jellyfish. Fast-moving Boyd. Early man here, which brings to mind, looking at it now, a select number of despotic, autocratic, repressive governmental leaders, nations around the globe, who engage in dehumanization of the other, and I'll leave that up to viewers' imaginations as to who they want to say fits in that category. All right, Puget Sound gefilte here. Snoozing in the sun. All right, there you have it. Thank you again, Dr. Chi. I really appreciate your feedback. That's back, because that's what birds do. Back. As opposed to feedback. All right, there you have it. This was exhibited in 2017 in a group show at the Seattle Convention Center called something like It's Our Waters. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching.